Hi guys, today we're making lemongrass pork chops. First we need to cut our lemongrass. This is how the lemongrass should look like. Now we marinate our pork chops. Garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, lemongrass, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/3 of oil, half a cup of fish sauce. Now mix. Marinate for 5 hours. This is the fish sauce bottle. Now we see our pork chops. Oil, cooking time 2 minutes each side. After 2 minutes, flip. Now take out the pork chop. Put pork chop in air fryer. Cooking time 7 minutes. Now we make our fish sauce. 1 cup of water, 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1/4 cup of fish sauce. Bring sauce to a boil. Once boiling, turn off heat. Add green chilies, garlic, and mix. Now we're going to make a daikon salad. So now we have our chopped daikons and carrots. 1/4 cup of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, and mix. Rice, garnished with green onions. So now we have our pork, our daikons, our rice, and our sauce.